I'd like to make a distinction between sound and a voice. Sound is the inaudible vibration. What you're hearing is a voice, but my voice is a depiction of the sound that is vibrating within me. And I wasn't slated to speak at this place, but the sound within me vibrated so much that I had to be here. There are 5 sounds that give you distinction, and each of you can identify yourselves in these sounds. The first sound is what we call a sound of innovation. Not everyone is going to impact the marketplace doing other things, but there are some people that have that sound of innovation. They bring out witty inventions.